With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is time period of a simple pendulum on the surface of earth is 4 seconds. Its time period on the surface of moon is what? Let's find out. We know the time period of simple pendulum is 2 pi root L divided by G. If pendulum is same, so L will be same and G will be different because G is different on different planets. On the surface of different planets, G will be different, so time period will be different. Time period on the surface of Earth divided by time period on the surface of Moon becomes 2 pi root L divided by G on Earth divided by 2 pi root L divided by G on Moon. So it becomes G on Moon divided by G on Earth, right? So it becomes TE divided by TM is what? Time period on the surface of Earth is 4 seconds and TM we have to find out. So it becomes acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Moon is 1/6 the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. So it becomes root 1 divided by 6. After squaring on both sides, it becomes 16 divided by Tm square is equal to 1 by 6. So after solving this, time period on the surface of Moon square becomes 16 multiplied by 6. So we can say that Tm becomes root of 16 multiplied by 6. So it becomes 4 multiplied by root 6. So value will become 9.79. So approximately it is 10 seconds. So time period on the surface of Moon is 10 seconds. So we can say that option number 3 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.